Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Yoshi's PC and Electronic Services. Today we're going to look at another Chromebook. The problem is the operating system has a problem and will not start. So what we're going to do a few things. We're going to do a few things here. As you see, Chrome OS is missing or damaged. Please remove all connected devices and start recovery. So let's start recovery. Apparently, if you hold this down, it does a reboot, and it should recover that. But apparently it's not. Wait a few seconds. And then power it on again. Yeah, it is not. So turn this off again. So we're on Google Chrome here. We're going to click on Chrome Web Store. Now that we're on Chrome Web Store here, we'll click on that. We'll search for Chromebook. Recovery utility, which is right there. So we'll click on this and go add to Chrome. Add extension. We do not want to turn on sync. Now up in the top corner here, we'll see a little puzzle piece that's extensions, comes up, and click on Chromebook Recovery Utility. We'll go get started. We'll put in the model number that is on the screen of your Chromebook. The recovery screen, it should be on the bottom, and hit continue. We'll select the USB stick, we'll go continue and create now. So it'll download it, I'll verify it, then I'll unpack it, and then rate. So there's actually four different steps that it does. Now we're at the end of the installation onto our USB stick. We'll just read the instructions here. It says the recovery media is ready. You can remove the recovery media now. So I will be able to erase this recovery media on my USB stick here after I'm done, and then I can have the USB back to where it was before without all those partitions on it. So what we're going to do, we're going to hit done, and then we will go back to the Chromebook. See you there. So it looks like it is an Acer Chromebook Spin 311. So what we need to do now, we have to hold down the escape key and refresh, and then press the power button. This will go into recovery mode. You can see that. Please insert a recovery USB stick or SD card. So we have this from our previous recording. We will put this in here. I'll actually zoom in a little bit so that we can get this all on. So it looks like you're about to recover your computer. Please make sure it's plugged into a power source. If you want to cancel recovery, press power button, hold it down till the computer turns off. It takes up to 8 seconds. It's safe to do this at any time during verification. So we do not have anything plugged into this right now. So it's recovering right now. So I will go look for the cord, since this is going to take a while, and I kind of need it just in case. Okay, here we go. We got this cable, USB to Type-C. Have a power brick that is 69%. We'll plug that one in. Plug it into the side, just like that. I'll zoom out here so you can see. So I've got the cord plugged into the side, and the light on the power button is red, so I can imagine it's recharging. So we shouldn't have any issues with that right now. I'll zoom back in, and we'll just wait. Zoom out just so you can see how much power it actually takes. We're still at 69%. This is one of those flip books, isn't it? You can flip it right around maybe. See how far down it goes. Yeah, it goes pretty far. It's like flat right now. I don't want to put it too much more, but I'll put that behind. A few minutes. What is a few minutes in Google Talk? I want to know. Right now it is 12:41. It's been going for a couple minutes at least. Let's say 12:38. See how long this actually takes. So this way it actually puts it to square one, where it's right from factory. You just open up brand new. That's what this recovery will do. Unfortunately, there was no resetting, power off, power on deal where it would fix itself, but now we're at this point where we had to actually do a recovery of the drive and reset it to factory, which is what I did here. I downloaded the actual model for this. This is, I guess each one's different, so make sure that you do use the same one for the same computer. I wouldn't suggest trying to use that for another one. So as soon as you're done with this, I would use the Google Recovery utility and reset this back to your USB where it was before, just so you don't have a chance of using it again. I mean, it only took like 10 minutes or so to actually do all this, so to download and install it to the USB stick. System recovery is complete. So 12:47, so like 10 minutes. So that's not too bad. So now please remove the recovery media and a computer restart automatically. So took that out. It's restarting, setting up. It's applying a critical update, it said. There we go, Chrome OS. Is this I think this is touch screen. Yeah, it's touch screen. Get started. So this Chromebook's all done. They'll have to set up on their own Wi-Fi and set up their codes and everything again, passwords, their sign-in to Google accounts. And that's pretty much where we are here. I'll take another look at it, make sure everything else is good, cleaning, and that's pretty much where we're at. So this one was saved. If there's any other problems with it, I'll find out. But took a while, but pretty simple steps. Hopefully this helped. So we went from Chromebook recovery mode, where there was something wrong with the operating system. Went and downloaded the program from Google, installed it onto a USB stick, put it on this Chromebook, and after 10 minutes installed, powered on, redid an update. Once it hooked to internet, they'll have to set all that up, that account and everything after. But pretty much we're on a fix here. I'll do some cleaning, as I said. I'll do some cleaning on this, and then she's ready to go back to the customer. So in other words, this is a win, and we'll see you on the next one. Hopefully this helped. Leave a comment below, and like and subscribe. Thank you. Goodbye.